How to make a bracelet. First, prepare the 3 strands of pearl and buckle. Use the small part of the buckle and then make a double connection to fix it. Add lead to wear all the pearls. After the pearls are worn, tie a knot at the tail to prevent the pearls from slipping out. The knotting can prevent the friction between the pearls and also prevent the pearls from falling to the ground when the wire is broken. After making the last piece, cut the wire, take the other part of the buckle, cross it through the buckle loop, and pull in the wire to make a double connection to fix it. Finally, cut off the excess thread and burn it with a lighter, so a pearl bracelet is completed.